Squad, what's the deal? It's your boy KNOCKOUT360 here with another video. So as you can see here, yep, I look stupid, whatever it takes to get the footage. So look at this, brake dust, embarrassing. Somebody please, everybody's been telling me to get the new power stop brakes instead of the Brembos or whatever came with the Charger, and that'll cut down on some of the brake dust. Hopefully that's the case, because this is insane. But as you can see, the baby's dirty, filthy, and it's wash day. But this isn't just any other wash day. This particular day is going to be kind of special, man. And the reason I say that is because you guys know that I rock with Jax Wax. Jax Wax in, Jax Wax out. I mean, come on now. Jax Wax. Jax Wax. Let's go in the back here. Jax Wax. So I'm a sick man when it comes to Jax Wax, man. But there, I guess, piece of resistance, if you will, is the spray and seal. This is the creme de la creme. This is between this and the HD wheel and tire. These are probably their two best known products. Now, you've seen me use this all day long, and I swear by this, without a doubt, the best HD wheel and tire cleaner out there, or best wheel and tire cleaner out there. I haven't used this, so today will be the first time that I'm using this. And ultimately, this is kind of what this video is going to pertain around, is the spray and seal. Now, to my understanding, this is supposed to give you, let's see here, up to 6 months, believe it or not, 3 to 6 months of protection as far as your car is concerned. You can use it on the windows, the plastics, use it on your rims, obviously on the body, and it's going to give you up to 6 months of protection. Now, of course, that depends on how well you put it on, how well you keep your car clean in between, probably environmental factors, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna try it today. Now, of course, we got the usual suspects. You got the HD wheel and tire cleaner, wash and wax, glass cleaner. I'm actually gonna put that away. I'm not sure if I'm using that. We are gonna use the Super Blue by Jax Wax as well, which is a good gloss tire shine product. I think this is one of their older products from back in the day, but it really does work. I still got some old Meguiar's. This is from back in the day. I just got to use it, get rid of it. So yeah, those are the usual suspects. Everything else is Jax Wax, man. So the only thing that we're doing new here is the spray and seal, paint sealer, sealant. It's a wax. You can do it wet or dry. All you need is a microfiber drying towel. Spray that junk on there. You can spray it directly on the body, or you can spray it on the towel itself. However you guys like to get down, everyone's different. But that's it. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. I always forget to take this front bra off. You know what I'm saying? Look at all that. I'm telling you, these things are a necessity. You absolutely need that. Look at that. Got a whole jungle worth of BS on the front of my car, man. Let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I know in the last video, a lot of you guys were kind of telling me how I should clean my car. I'm gonna be honest with you, I already forgot. Let me spray a little bit of that. Let's do it. Look at that. leave them on, but you want to do it kind of quickly. I like to get all up in the rim, you know, towards the wheel. For you people that want to be politically correct or technically correct. Did I even put any on the tire though? There we go. Boom. Get these tires good. Somebody's smoking weed, bro. Somebody blazing. Yeah, somebody definitely blazing. Let's get to the body. Get it dripping. I like to put on 2. It just makes sense. To me at least. I remember somewhere in the comments somebody was telling me like you're supposed to clean your car from top to bottom or bottom to top, something about like the dirt. I've already forgotten that. Please remind me. I know you guys are gonna say, oh yeah, start cleaning from the top and work your way down. So then I like to hit it with the drying towel. As big as this car is, you actually need 1. So I was told to just throw it on there and let it chill. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. I wonder where these scratches come from. All right, let's go ahead and get on the glass. It's time for what you've been waiting for. All right, what you've been waiting for, spray and seal. Get it good. Let's read the instructions. Dry application on a clean dry spray, clean dry vehicle spray onto the surface using a plush microfiber towel. Wipe the product into the surface, buff to a high gloss. All right. So I typically like to, you know what I'm saying, use a little applicator pad. And where is it? There we go. So these are going to be the buffing towels. So we're going to buff with these 2 when the time comes. Alright. Just make sure you guys are recording. We are. Let's go in. Smell like some, oh yeah. Looks like you just want to take it, buff it in real good. All the crevices. Come with the white one, buff it right out. Oh yeah, the shine is there for sure. Oh yeah, the shine is there. Oh yeah, look at that shine. Nice wax. I'm gonna buff it all out. Yeah, that shine legit. Yeah, definitely don't want to leave it on here too long. Oh yeah. Some wax products you need to leave it on there for a couple minutes. And some wax products is like, you know, put it on there, a second or two, and get it off. This looks like one of those quick ones. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that shine. You know what I'm saying? I'm not making that up. Proof is in the pudding, or rather in the products. Oh yeah. Then oh man. Look at that, nice haze. I don't know if I got this panel. And there we go. All because of that right there. All because of it. Look at it. Yeah. I'm good for the next 3 to 6 months, man. As always, it's Mini Boy Knockout 360. This video is brought to you by Jax Wax, the one and only. Get you some spray and seal if you don't have it. Stop playing. I'm telling you, it's legit. Just look at the results. As always, it's Mini Boy Knockout 360. I'm going to get out of here. I'll let you in the next one. Peace.